Hi Aries, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a monthly reading for May. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly go ahead and see what this particular month has in store for you. So the first card that I see for you is the 9 of Wands, the 10 of Cups, and the Page of Cups. Your person has the 4 of Swords, the Empress card, and the Fool card. We'll also see what is the mutual feeling both of you have, what is the blockage in the relationship, and what will be the outcome of this relationship. Bottom of the deck, I have the Magician card. So either you or your person is currently in the Magician energy, wherein you would want to go ahead and ensure that everything that you want out of this relationship, it comes to you. So you're commanding the universe to go ahead and do that for you. Now what I see for you here, Aries, is you have the 9 of Wands. With the 9 of Wands card, it means that you feel exhausted. You feel a lot of exhaustion, a lot of tiredness. You feel that the burden of this relationship is on your shoulders and you're just not liking it, okay? Because what I see is the very next card that you wanted was a 10 of Cups with this person, okay? You wanted to maybe build a life with this person, you wanted to have a family, and that's something that you're not getting right now because you are right now in the 9 of Wands energy and you feel this relationship is kind of a burden right now. So what you eventually plan to do is you want to go ahead and maybe offer this cup of love to maybe somebody else, or it could be that somebody else will offer this particular cup of love to you. Okay, now your person on the other hand has the 4 of Swords energy. With this 4 of Swords energy, this person is currently not doing anything. So they have stepped back, they have taken that temporary break, okay? They don't want to go ahead and do anything. They're just lying down thinking what is the next action that they need to take, because the very next card is the Empress card, okay? Now with the Empress card, it could mean multiple things, okay? One, this person is an Empress, which means that you will not get somebody like this. The minute this person moves into the Empress energy, they know what their worth is and they know that they are a catch, okay? Because the Empress is above all the queens and has all the qualities of all the queens, okay? So this person, because they know themselves, okay, and they know what is their worth, will eventually go ahead and move into a different direction altogether. They'll take a big leap of faith with this Fool energy, okay, which is the Aries energy, okay? So it could be that your person could be dealing with you, okay? So they'll take a big leap of faith and do something that you were not expecting, or they will move to a totally different direction altogether. Now what's the mutual feeling between the two of you? Now that's the Emperor. Now if you see, you have the Emperor and the Empress, and that's a match, okay? That's a couple there, and it's a very strong connection that I see between the two of you, okay? Having the Emperor and the Empress in the same spread is something you don't get on a normal basis, okay? It's something that happens very rarely. So yes, the connection is something that you might not like. The current status is something that is really annoying you, but the connection that both of you have is something that is really very special. Now let's go ahead and see what is the blockage in the relationship. That's the Ace of Cups. With the Ace of Cups energy being there, it could mean that you or your person could have difficulty in expressing feelings, okay? You want to start again, you want to express things, but that's the blockage that both of you face. What's the outcome of this relationship for this particular month is the Hanged Man. With the Hanged Man energy, both of you will be staying in your own zones. You will not take any step towards the other person, and that in itself creates a lot of distance, okay? My personal advice to you would be, whenever you feel that there's a kind of a rift, there's a kind of a miscommunication that's happening, yes, take some time out, but don't go ahead and prolong it so much that the other person feels that you're just not interested to even clarify what has happened in this relationship. Okay, now let's quickly go ahead and see what is the intention of this person for you for this particular month. So the first card that I see is the 9 of Pentacles. So either you or your person is currently in this energy where you're single, abundant, you're doing really good for yourself, and that's something that others also notice about you. Now let's take one more card here. That's the Knight of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles is a very stable energy, but the only problem with this particular energy is when you get into this energy, you will feel that either your person is just not walking because it's very slow. Okay, this person walks so slow that it's as good as not walking at all. Now the other intention that I see here is the Ace of Swords. Now this could also mean that, you know, either you or your person need to go ahead and clarify something. If there were things that were told, there were things that were secrets in this relationship, you both need to have a face-to-face conversation, clarify, and that's when you can take this relationship forward. Now let's quickly go ahead and see what is the message from archangels and a crystal that can help you in the situation. So the crystal that I see is the Capitolon calcite. The crystal messages: are you in love? Are you crawling in health and feelings of well-being? Become a conduit for allowing heaven and earth to meet at your center. It is time to acknowledge the essence of the divine love in you. Take the time to nurture yourself. Imagine yourself in the arms of the Divine Mother. Now the message here from Archangel Raphael, I'll put that in the description box. You can read it out from there. That's all I